Hi guys, welcome back to another video with me, Chosen Petty, in the kitchen. Today guys, we will continue to look at our chicken. Today they are 8 days old. 8 days old. Look at them guys, look how they're going on, what they are doing. I have to extend the coop because you know they're getting bigger and bigger. So last week we have them up this side. Alright. But this side, this today we have to extend the coop down this side now because them getting bigger, as you can see. Look how them spread out, guys. Look how them spread out. Yes, and I have to have new feeding pan for them, which is this feeding pan over here, where I full up them feeding pan. Look at it. And then them feed from down this side. Alright, so we throw the feed in here like this, and they feed down here. Alright, this is their water pan. This is their water pan. The last time we have to put them feed in because they were so small. Now guys, I'm getting big, so we have to give them big water pan. Yes guys, here's another feeding pan over this side. So yes guys, how you all doing today? Only hope everyone is great. Only hope you're doing good, fine. Only hope you try to enjoy life one way or the other, guy. Try to make yourself, trust in God and live. Okay? So, you know what I realized with them open their mouth. Look there. Watch them with their mouth open up. Don't know why. Anybody know why? Anybody know why they open up their mouth like that? Look at them. Let me tell you something, guys. Them can't eat. Them can eat. I tell you, them can't eat. From last week Monday till now, them almost eat half a bag of feeding. Almost eat half a bag of feeding. Yes, a little bit of feeding left back in the bag. The bag is a size bag like this. Yes. So you see one of them guys jump out. Look at them. Jump out. See him there? Oh, him find wing. Them Mr. Guys, them a put on wings. Look at him. Look down there. So what me I tell you about look. Come out. So me I forgot pick him up. Guys, I'm on my knee and him around. Come here, come here. Guys, look at this. Him around. Trying to get him to go back in the coop. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Up back. My God. That was a little exercise. That was a little exercise for me right there. But, as I said, this is what is going on today, Monday. Yes. Oh, them look over there. This little only one him fly gone. Fly gone, you know. Fly gone. Yes. This is how they look. Yes, guys. Seems like we're going to get some rain. We're going to get some rain. So yes, guys. Seems like we're going to get a little rain. You know what I realize? When I'm eating them, take up the sawdust. Sometimes I have to pick them out or throw them out. Look at it. Here you go right there. I have to pick it out and that because I don't know why them end up having them bed in them water. Who does that? Who have them bed in their water? My chickens. Yep. This is how I take them out for them. Yes. This is how I take them out. Yep. So as I said before, guys, I only hope you enjoy this little video of my chicken, raising my chicken. So got them that side, back over this side, over this side. Yes. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please to share up my video, subscribe, share and subscribe, guys. Comment in the comment section. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. And as I said before, guys, if you don't subscribe, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, guys, so that when I upload a video, you will see it, to see how my chicken, yes, is going on. All right. So guys, have a great one. Bye.